Good morning, everybody. Today, it is Sunday, December 29th. It's about 9:09 in the morning. The new plan of attack for today is going to be to go up to Bellingham Harbor and then do photo and video drone from in Blaine, Semiahmoo, Bellingham, and then even maybe go to Anacortes later today. So I just kind of want to have like a fun day where I go out just hit a lot of different locations and just kind of have some fun with it. So that's kind of the plan. I'm gonna pack up right now, get the boots, get all the camera gear, and we're gonna head out with the cat in a few minutes because it's supposed to be a pretty nice day today. So the plan is get in as much fun as I can before it rains. Alright, so we're in the van. We've got the cat all set up. We got the heater running. How you doing, buddy? You get some food? You got it on your face? Yeah, you got it on your face. So we're gonna head up to the Bellingham boat harbor and try and do some drone. Maybe get some mountain shots. It's a pretty clear day out, so we'll see what we can do. And take some photos, just hang out, have a nice day, and kind of relax before New Year's. Today is the 29th, so getting close. We'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. So we're gonna drive out Lummi Drive or Lummi Shore here and head up the non-freeway version to Bellingham Harbor. Get a more scenic drive along the coast this way and maybe stop along the way at some little spots. We'll see. So anyways, beautiful drive out so far. What's up, bud? How you doing? Don't do that. It is absolutely gorgeous out. Getting into the... Hey, kitty. Really pretty out in this area too. Stop whatever you're doing down there. Can you stop it? Ah, get out of there. It's driving me nuts. Beautiful. Okay, we are at Semiahmoo. We're heading down the hill to the spit. Woo! Hi, little gang. How you doing? So we took the long scenic route and we're hitting the spit now. I'm gonna go try and pull in by the boats and see if I can find some parking to do some drone shots. And I'm gonna try and install my wireless backup camera fence ends today. Alright, so it's about noon, I believe, on December 29th. I'm up here in Semiahmoo, right at the big resort, and I just took the drone for a flight. Got some really good footage of the tower, the boats, and then over by the main Semiahmoo building there. So got a couple minutes there, which was pretty fun. And I think I'm gonna head down the coast again by Lummi and see if I can get some shots, and then head into Bellingham Bay, see if I can get some shots, and then see how I'm feeling, and then maybe go to Anacortes for fun and just kind of follow the sun, because it looks like it'd be nice down there, I'm guessing. So I might head down in that direction and do that. So that's kind of the plan at the moment. I just got a burger and some amazing vanilla bean ciders from Oregon that I got when I went on my last trip that I absolutely fell in love with. So I just got 2 cases of those. And yeah, so just had my burger. Cat's playing around with something. Stop that. And yeah, we're gonna head out. All right, it is the afternoon. We made it down to Bellingham, and we're at All American Marine at this little park. I'm gonna walk out on this little gravel trail and pop up the drone on this little spit out here. It's really cool. So I'm gonna see if I can get some shots like that and see how she goes. Should be fun. Cat's doing well and sleeping on my lap almost the whole drive. He seems to be doing all right. So yeah, we're gonna go pop up the drone, see if we can go have some more fun. Cheers. So I just got done flying the drone down here at Marine Park, or I guess just Bellingham Bay. This is this awesome little trail out here. So I popped up the drone, got some really good footage of downtown. Today was a really fun day to get out and do some photos and videos. So hope everyone else had a great Sunday fun day, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Cheers.